Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3 or X4 generation from year 2010 to year 2017. If you need to check your engine oil level, you do not have a dipstick, stay with us, we'll explain how to do it from inside the vehicle. There is one thing you need to follow and one condition you need to meet, otherwise you may get inaccurate reading which can lead to engine damage. So stay with us and we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. So you have to make sure guys that you're outside the garage. Okay, never do that in the garage. We'll take the vehicle outside, and once we do that, okay, we're going to continue and explain, okay, what you need to do. But you're going to do it, okay, through the sound system, through the navigation, okay, the info screen right here. That's where you're going to check it out. So now guys, how do you check the engine oil level? Okay, you need to make sure that the car is outside, not in the garage, on completely leveled ground. Now, one thing that will prevent it from working, okay, let me show you now. Right now, we started the car, it's completely cold, it's in the morning guys, we haven't driven it at all. You're going to click right here, menu, and when you select menu, you will go down to vehicle info, right there, select that one, go to vehicle status, select, and here you go down to measure oil level, click that one. You need to be in park or neutral, but you need to be at operating temperature. So we need to let the car sit outside so it can run, not in the garage of course, because it will die from the exhaust fumes, but we'll let it outside, it will warm up, and then we'll proceed with the next step and show you how to do that now. So it's very important to be on completely leveled ground guys. You can see ours is completely leveled, so we let it run for about 10-15 minutes. Now I'm going to come inside and I want to show you guys, okay, oh, love my new car by the way, right here, okay. Now the start measurement is actually white, so all you have to do, push down on that button, select it, don't do anything, measuring engine oil level. It will increase the RPMs to about 1100, okay, and it will stay like that for probably about 45 to 50 seconds. If for some reason on your BMW your oil level, okay, measuring oil level does not work, and what happens guys, you actually almost finish it almost all the way to 100% and it turns off and it doesn't measure the oil level. We have a video that explains how to fix that. It's actually on a BMW 3 Series, but it will be about the same for all BMWs. So check it out, it will be on the channel, it will teach you how to do that. So working on that thing now, 57%, still there, okay, 60, you can see, still working on that, and it should be any minute now. Come on, almost there. Let's check now. 82% guys, 85. Hopefully it does it, because if it doesn't, there is one part that needs to be replaced. Okay, 97, 98, 100%, and now it's going to load the oil level, and we have it to max guys. Perfect, not above max, right on max, so that's great. You can see that took care of the problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.